Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Looks like we got a new project. Had a tree fall down. We'll have to get that one cleared up. That's definitely a good project for this mower. These smaller things, the big things, that's going to be for the 4020 actual tractor. But just for this thing, these little limbs and stuff, that's perfect to drag around. Oh Lord, have mercy! That thing, it was dead, boy. That thing is dead. Yeah, I mean, we knew it was dead, obviously, but like, we thought it was gonna be a while. It didn't even fall on a windy day. Go figure. Fell on a day where it was perfectly no wind, just a little breeze, and oh, a little squirrel here. No. Yeah, run, boy. Yeah, we got to move this tree right over here. Got to move that tree back behind us. We got to move a tree up there, and then another tree. We got 4 trees to move. Should be pretty easy. But if you're wondering why I'm even filming, I didn't know that tree was down until I literally started filming. But I've done some things to the mower. They're super simple mods. You know what they are already, obviously. But yeah, you'll actually get a view at the reflectors. It's gonna go over here in the sand. It's good enough. Got our reflector right here. Got our reflector right here. And then on the back, took the triangle off. Got these 2 factory reflectors. And then we got this guy right here. That's visible. And the front's obviously visible. I got headlights too. Yeah. That's all I did. I mean, I don't really know what else to do in this video. I was considering, okay, as you can see, this bottom plastic piece right here is broke. It's a classic plastic hood thing. They get brittle, they break. But anyways, I was wondering, do y'all think I should try and put that on? Or should I maybe like put some diamond plate right here? Take this off, put diamond plate. What do y'all think? Also, what do y'all think about the painted tire letters? Because I'm going to be getting some 24, 12, 12. So these are 31, or what? Whoa. 23, 1050, 12 turf tires. I'm going to be getting some 24, 12, 12 tractor tread tires. And I was wondering, do y'all think I should go with white tire letters on that? Or keep the tire letters black? Or yellow even, or green? I mean, what do y'all think I should do? And also, I mean, I can just take the ones off the front pretty easy. I mean, just take a little black paint and just go right over them. I mean, it's literally a paint marker off Amazon. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Also, yes, the paint is really bad condition down in here from where I tried to wax it out and buff it. As you can see, it's part of the paint now. It's got a little surface rust. It needs a restore. Also on the seat, I want to get a new piece of foam for obvious reasons. And then on the black part, I want to sand it down and just paint it gloss black and then clear coat it. I was wondering what y'all would think about that. You know, just little details that make it way better. So yeah. My 3-point hitch, I put it to a test the other day. The tire went flat on the red mower, Clifford. Oh, I forgot to zoom. Anyways, on Clifford, the red mower, the tire went flat. And yes, I know I got to paint this. I reinforced that so I can bolt in there, weld the snot out of it. I got to grind that off. When I put it to the test, that red mower, I put the weight of it on this and pulled it across our place, which is about, so I drove about 800 feet. Man, it didn't have issues. Yeah, I mean, no issues at all, really. So yeah, just let me know what y'all think I should do. See you in the next one.